In this video, we are going to see how we can show or enable the home button on the Brave browser. So if you always want to land on a specific web address or maybe on the new tab, whenever you open Brave browser, you have to define it as a home page. For that, just go to the three lines or the hamburger sign on the right hand corner and click on the settings from the bottom. From here, just click on appearance on the left hand corner, and here just make sure that the show home button is toggled on. Right now it's disabled. Just click on toggled on position, and now it's your choice if you want to land it on a new tab page or a custom web address. Let's say I set it to www.youtube.com, and we just close out of here, close Brave browser, and let's open it up again. The changes were not saved before, so let me just click on somewhere else and again click on appearance to make sure it is properly saved, youtube.com. And now if I open Brave browser, as soon as I open this, it will always land to this specific website. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.